In the world of ultimate performance cars, very few can top Carroll Shelby's 427 Cobra for sheer power and beauty. Jay Leno recently loaned us his original 427 so we could test the first set of polished stainless steel side pipes that we developed specifically for the Cobra. Knowing performance would be unaffected, our main purpose was to test Hush Power's cool shell technology, which radically reduces the surface temperature of the muffler. The end result was a huge success. As seen here, the issue of the infamous snake bite, hot pipe burn, was completely eliminated by our cool shell technology. As expected, this cool performance also came with no loss of power or that legendary Cobra sound. Thanks, Jay.